laboratory. Well, a factory. Today, I'll exactly how carrot juice is made, step by step, by the side.
Our automated system maintains the perfect extraction balance, guaranteeing a smooth, nutrient-rich pulp every single time.
Temperature and pressure are optimized.
Purity levels are stable within the target range.
Excellent work, both of you.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how carrot juice is made, or added, from fresh carrots to bottled goodness.